Now I insert links in these buttons. So follow these steps as I perform. First select this icon, right click, click on link. Select this section. I insert links in this icon, collapse sheet. Because when I click on this button, I will see collapse sheet because this sheet does not show this pane. Click OK. Then right click on this image, click on link, select this sheet because this sheet show theme number 1. When I click on this button, I will see this sheet. Click OK. Then right click, select theme number 2, click OK. Similarly, insert the links, click OK. Click OK. Then right click, and select no buttons sheet because this sheet does not show these two buttons. Click OK. Then right click, click on link, select no info button. Click OK. Similarly, right click on this button and select quantity sheet because this sheet show line chart with quantity values. Click OK. Then right click and select show information sheet. Click OK. Similarly, I select all sheets and insert the links. Right click, click on link, select this sheet, then right click, select this sheet, right click and select this sheet and select this sheet. Click OK. Then select this sheet, select this sheet, click OK. Then select this sheet, click OK. Then select this sheet, click OK. Similarly, select this sheet, right click, select theme 1, select theme 2, select theme 3 and select theme 4. Then select this sheet. In this sheet also insert the links as well as I inserted before. Right click and select this sheet because when I click on this button, the inserted link will show this sheet. Click OK. Then right click. I see here the links are automatically inserted in these buttons. Right click and insert link in this button. Select collapse sheet because when I click on this icon, I will see this sheet. In this sheet, I have hide this pane. Click OK. Then right click, insert the link, quantity sheet, click OK. Then select this sheet, right click. In this button, insert this link and right click on this button. Click on added link. Insert here collapse sheet, because when I click on this image, I will see collapse sheet, because this sheet shows these two buttons. Click OK. Similarly, I see in these two buttons links. Select dashboards, click OK. Then insert this sheet, insert this sheet, and insert this sheet. Click OK. Then right click, click on show information. Then select this sheet. In this sheet, right click and show this sheet and show quantity sheet and show information sheet. Then select info, show the dashboard sheet, quantity sheet, and show info sheet. Then select this sheet, right click and select this sheet, because this sheet does not show this information. Right click and select quantity sheet, right click and select dashboard sheet. Click OK. Then select quantity sheet, insert this sheet. I also insert here this sheet and select show info sheet. Select this sheet and select this sheet. Then select this sheet, this sheet, and select this sheet. Then select no buttons sheet. Then select collapse sheet, because this sheet shows these buttons. So almost links are inserted in all the buttons.